Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring battery levels and clearing phone pairings so nothing blocks the new connection. Once done, open the Space Travel 2 case, hold the small pairing button for a few seconds and watch the LED flash. That indicates pairing mode. On your phone, open Bluetooth, scan, and locate the device name. Select it and wait for confirmation. This immediate action avoids intermittent drops and speeds discovery. It also forces the earbuds to use first available codec and stable link rather than reconnecting to old devices. You should now accept any pairing confirmations and monitor the connection status. This step secures the initial link. Once paired, make sure to select a higher quality codec if your phone supports it, because that improves audio fidelity and latency. Also, keep your phone close, 1 to 2 meters, and reduce nearby Wi-Fi or microwave interference while finalizing settings. If your phone shows separate left/right channels, ensure both buds display connected. That prevents one-sided audio and ensures future automatic reconnection. You finish by testing audio playback, microphone, and button controls to confirm everything functions as expected. If you notice dropouts or poor mic performance, make sure the earbuds firmware is current through the official app. Updates often fix connection bugs. If updating doesn't help, perform a full reset by holding the on-device buttons for about 10 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. If problems persist, retry on another phone to isolate device-specific Bluetooth issues. This narrows down whether the buds or the host are at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.